G'day guys, Matty for Forbie Sessions Australia. Going away for a bit of a couple of days, an overnighter trip to this spot that's got a bit of a secret swimming hole. Going out with a couple of local boys up here at Port Macquarie. And we've just got into port. And let me tell you, we've just got the warning, sir. Apparently there's some hectic bloody storms coming. Pretty much red. So it's 12 o'clock, so we're trying to get out as quick as we can. I'm just on my way to Lukey's place to meet up with him, and we'll head up there. So anyway, come along for the drive. Let's see if we can beat the storm. So we just aired down. I've gone down to about 23, 24. Apparently it's a pretty rough road. So I'm gonna follow Lukey in. Got a good mate Justin in the back with his V-dub. Let's get into it. Bob,
got this on camera.
Yeah, dropped into a hole. You know what's even better? It just started filming it, didn't it? You're gonna have to skull drag yourself through. Logger in Fourbie. Or are you in Fourbie?
He's bottomed out. Sitting on his belly.
Yeah, in Fourbie, right? Just let me get a bit of dip lock. I don't know what I've dropped off there.
His belly up.
Your belly, your dip's hanging, that's all.
There it is.
Here we go. 5 hours it took me to find this joint once more. Well no, 5 hours and I came up with nothing. So far we've been running for 40 minutes from Port Macquarie, and the boys already got us down here, so can't wait. Not gonna lie, this is pretty epic. Look at this shit. Holy dooly. You stuff this up, it's not gonna end well. So we're just gonna, this is how professional I'm getting. I'm going to rig up a rope, abseil down into it, and go for a swim. Downside is, we're just about to cop a storm, so I don't know how smart it is to be in a river system in a storm, but anyway, let's get into it. Arvo storm in port. You ready? Let's do this. What's going on? Unbelievable. So the storm's pretty much passed over now, so we're going to head up to this lookout called Flat Rock. Apparently it's pretty good, so we'll head up there and have a look. So on the way back, the boys were keen to show me this old mining equipment, and I'll tell you what, it's pretty cool.
I think it's that's the steam engine up there. They obviously used to have a conveyor coming out of the mine. Oh, because there was an old conveyor.
Oh, righto.
Yeah, because that's the stamper and the shaker bed.
Wee. Another reason you need Crocs.
Yeah. Yeah, did you bust it? Oh, maybe got that on film.
Yeah, I did get that. I got all that, Lukey. Oh, wow.
So there used to be a big shed over it, but the fires took it out.
Yeah, right.
And there was all this, the steamer, and obviously the conveyor, and a big shaker bed under a shed just down here. But the fires have taken it all out. You can see the shaker bed there under all the debris.
Yeah, right. Wow. Unbelievable. There's a shaker bed. This is pretty cool. Wow. I don't know how many cool spots you're going to show us tonight, but we are still stoked with Punchbowl. That was unbelievable. Now we get to see this, and you reckon this other swimming hole is even better?
The other swimming hole is better to jump off, yeah.
Better to jump off. Unbelievable. I can't wait to see this. What a day. Storms have gone. Things are looking up. Oh well, let's go check it out. My little mate Noah's going to take us up to the tower now. So lean the GoPro over. All yours, bud. You show us the way. How's this for a lookout? So just about to leave this epic lookout. Following a Navara, hopefully we make it. But going to this awesome camp spot, so let's check it out. The boys said we had to stop at the water park on the way through. Got me a little bit concerned, but damn, how cool is this?
You can swim through.
You can swim through?
There's a hole there, you can swim through.
That sounds like a G up trying to drown me. They told me there's a swimming hole through here. So we take it up. Here we go. While it was all fun and games sliding, it was at this point I probably should have told him there was a square edge. That's not the way! I said left. Oh, your left, not my... Oh. Here we go. So this is Wild Bull Campground. Apparently it's a really awesome spot. You can find it online. It's not that hard to find this one. But apparently the boys are thinking it's going to be packed, and yeah, they're not wrong. This is Wild Bull. What a swimming hole. Wow. Big tree to jump off.
Is anyone else coming to join or what?
Not until you've jumped and you come back up. I ain't walking all the way up there.
We're angry to find out you died.
Yeah, thank you. I felt it itching. That seemed towards the rock. He said jump left. I would have jumped that way.
He just jumped over the rock. No! There's a rock there. Would have been paraplegic.
Yeah. How far out do you have to jump?
There's a rock just here. You just got to jump left a bit.
Yeah, so when you're facing this way.
Well, stand on the rock so he doesn't jump on it.
Yeah.
So the rock's here.
Oh, okay.
Don't jump here. So once you're up there,
when he says left, just like
righto.
Die, trust me. If you will, I'll have the BT.
Where's the dog?
There it is.
Yeah, that's pretty good actually.
So the roads in and out of this joint are really well maintained, actually, surprisingly, for a state forest. We've seen Yaris's, we've seen Mazda 3s, and you got all us blokes in big modified four-wheel drives, but the road's really good. It's got a fair bit of gravel on it too, so if you have a pretty good downpour, I think you'd still get out pretty easy. Anyway, going back to another spot to go sleep for the night. It should have a pretty good view, I'm told. So anyway, let's head up there. Well, we just got that set up in time. Right before the storm came in. What a view. It's not a great start. We've got no scan gauge, we've got a fault up. So hopefully we're not in limp mode. How many guys does it take to change a tyre?